Okay, this is case 2013-57, possession of methamphetamine, State versus Loretta Russell.
Yeah, we'll probably need to get her an application this morning as well. Based on her incarceration, we'll go ahead and enter a plea of not true to the allegation.
Ma'am, are you going to make application to the public defender's office?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we've entered a plea of not true in your case, and I've set a hearing down for February 19th at 10 o'clock. But if you go ahead and fill out an application, I understand there's some applications at the jail.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
State versus James McDaniel, 14-85, drugs and firearms, methamphetamine, heroin, oxycodone, etc.
Mr. McDaniel appears here today. Mr. Chisholm and I have had some brief discussions about a resolution in this case. We're set for trial middle of March. We'll just leave it on for then. Hope to have a resolution in the interim.
Very well, sir. Thank you
Thank
so much. 15-21, State versus Catherine Herron, furnishing prohibited articles, possession of marijuana, 13-189, theft and fraudulent use of a credit card.
Just, I believe that's a revocation matter, is that correct?
Okay,
The credit card issue.
let's look here.
We were previously here before Judge Webb, and were arraigned on the new charges.
When should I set this for hearing?
We're ready now.
So I think it's a first appearance on the revocation. So and it's possible we don't mind to waive the 60-day requirement so that these two matters can track together. I think if I can meet with Mr. Nucio.
Judge, we want to do that. We would like you to set the revocation at least within the next 30 days so we can go ahead and have that hearing.
Well, I'll set it for March 5th, and it can always be moved
Okay.
if need be. And 15-21. This is That's just a reappearance, isn't it?
It
Looks
is.
like her next appearance on that matter is on April 16th, the pretrial.
Yes.
Anything further?
No, Your Honor. May we be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
14-217, State versus Jeremy Carosio, is that correct? 14-217, theft, defrauding a secured creditor, other charges.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Mr. Croce is here. He is set for the March jury term. If you could just leave it set as scheduled for the time being, and if you could have him reappear on that March 5th court date.
Okay.
Should have some sort of announcement on that date.
March 5th, 10 o'clock. State versus Justin Sweet, 14-181, methamphetamine.
He's here, Your Honor.
Okay.
I received the crime lab results this morning. I've not had a chance to review those at this time, but he's also set for that the March jury term. If you could have him reappear on that March 5th court date as well.
Okay.
And I believe that does complete discovery on that case at this point.
Reappear on March 5th, 10 o'clock, sir.
All right. Thank you, Judge.
14-277, State versus Christopher Jenkins, breaking or entering, methamphetamine, drug paraphernalia, lien.
Your Honor, he's here as well. There's no action to be taken on this today. He's set for the April jury term, I believe, with a reappearance on March 19th. I just maintain the current scheduling order. I received discovery this morning.
Very well. Stay in contact with your lawyers. 15-26, State versus Shannon Shields, forgery, theft of property.
Your Honor, Ms. Shields is in the process of filling out an application. I anticipate, because of prior representation, that she will qualify, so with the court's permission, I'll enter a plea of not guilty on her behalf and waive formal reading of the charges.
Very well. I'll enter a plea of not guilty. We'll have her appear before Judge Webb on February 12th. That's next week at 9:30 a.m. 15-13, State versus Christopher Clark, possession of controlled substances, paraphernalia, fictitious license plate, suspended license.
Your Honor, I believe Mr. Clark is here on a status, attorney status.
Okay.
He has hired me on this case, Your Honor, so I'll enter my appearance at this time.
Okay. He's previously entered a plea of not guilty. There's a pretrial motion hearing set in his case on March 19th at 10 o'clock. March 19th. Stay in contact with your lawyer, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.